Trending biotech stocks. We have CVKD and SNSE. So CVKD up 25.28%. This is Friday, the 5th of December 2025. CVKD is a low float stock. And let's see now. The company participated in an investor conference yesterday, the 4th of December, in New York City, where the management of the company presented updates on the company's pipeline, including the development of tesafarine for anticoagulation in patients with kidney disease. Such events often highlight clinical progress or strategic plans, attracting investor interest in small cap biotechs and triggering buying on positive reception or anticipation. This builds on a momentum from today's board appointment of Dr. Lee Golden, a nephrology expert, which had already lifted shares 7% prior. Now the day, yeah, the day before that is on Friday the 28th of November. Volume likely amplified the move as traders reacted to the presentation details shared via investor relation channels. Okay, so yeah, let's see what we have for CVKD in terms of volumes. I think let's see, it's a low float stock as well. Short interest is not is highly insignificant. Okay, yeah, 179,000. Um, anyway, it's yeah, okay, that's more than its average volume. Okay, let's see CVKD. Let's get down to the 4 hour chart. Okay, so it's actually moved in the regular session. Okay, so yeah, okay. The extrapolation is saying that the some contraction may begin to play out in this pre-market session. That's the pre-market session of today. It might be a volatile one. There might be an attempt to resume the uptrend. There might be an attempt to bounce, but the algos are saying that it might be rejected, and the 40 period moving average is declining, maybe declining to offer some support. Okay, projections are saying 9.29. Okay, it's that's a downward projection. Let's see now whether we have anything higher than yeah what we have right now. Okay, projections for the upper projections are saying 12.89, 11 point, sorry, 12.89, 13.44, 13.79. And there are further downward projections of 9.71, 10.22, 11.06. Momentum is expected to remain sustained at least up till Monday the 8th, the pre-market session, and then after that, it's likely to fall below its 10 period moving average. Yeah, that moving average is let's see what we have. As of yesterday, it was rising as fast as 23 points every 4 hours. So very soon it might catch up with if it doesn't continue to extend, then there's a good chance the 40 period the this 10 period moving average may catch up with it. Okay, but yeah, before now it was severely bearish, and the derivatives were equally bearish. And are they improving? Setting pressure, let's see. Setting pressure is yeah, decreasing. Decreasing and decreasing. The pace improving? Mm, no, the pace is not improving. Yeah. But buying pressure has setting pressure has eased off, tremendously. But the pace of the buying pressure, the pace of buying. Okay, selling pressure has gone away. Buying pressure has the pace has easing. The buying pressure is increasing, but the pace is not improving. SNSE. SNSE. Let's see what we have. SNSE is up 69.89%. Okay. Also above average volume shares have crossed the tape in the session of yesterday, the 4th of December. Let's see what we have for SNSE. Okay, retail driven momentum fueled after hours surge. Okay, let's go down and see SNSE. Okay, yeah, low float as well. Short interest is not it's not significant. Let's see what this readout is saying here. Okay, the stock experienced a heightened trading volume in the post-market session of yesterday, the 4th, rising approximately 32% from the prior close amid widespread retail chatter on social platforms, positioning it as the next big biotech play, similar to recent runners like SMX. Posts emphasized anticipation of monster data from ongoing phase one of two trials expected by the end of this month, though no official release occurred as of yesterday, the 4th. This built on a prior strategic review announcements in November, amplifying a speculative interest in a low float small cap biotech. Volume spiked over 59,000 yes during regular session, indicating early momentum that carried into the post-market session, but lacked corroborating news from financial outlets. Yeah. Okay, so yeah, it has gone on to even more than 10x. Yeah. Okay, so it has historically it's a highly volatile stock. Okay, let's see what we have for SNSE. Intraday high 18.54 in the session of yesterday, the 4th. Okay, it has cooled off from from those highs. SNSE. Yeah, this is that spike. I think this is the spike of. Was this just yesterday or has it been? Yeah. Okay. No, this is actually two straight session of gains. Okay. Yeah. Okay. So this trend is expected to remain in place up till the early hours of this pre-market session. Then after that, a contraction is expected to play out going all the way towards Wednesday, the 10th of December. Then after that, there might be an attempt to bounce. So all in all, it's just going to be a distributive contraction going all the way towards the 16th of December. Okay, the 40 period moving average is also rising to catch any any attempt to plunge further. Okay, but it may or may not work. So the stock is expected to trade within this wedge that is formed by the extrapolation of its 40 period moving average and the decline in 3 period moving average. So the stock is expected to trade within this space. It could always even defy this extrapolation and continue the advancement. But one may expect that this might be the time to for it to contract. Yeah. Okay, so momentum is indicating that it's the algos are indicating that momentum on this 4 hour chart may continue to decline, going all the way towards the Tuesday, the 9th of December, but it may not return to current levels maybe until maybe much later. Okay, yeah. So projections. Let's see what we have for SNSE 9.57. It's a downward projection. Let's see 9.57. As of Monday, had as high as 12.11, 13.73, 14.72. Okay, let's see what we have here. 18, yeah, printed as high as 18.54 yesterday. So that's a what an upper projection. This is let's see, this probably a 52-week high, 17.91. It has already broken through that. So this is the intraday high, maybe 52-week high, 18.54. Let's see whether we can find what the 52-week high is here on Thinkorswim. Yeah, 18.35. That's it. That's the intraday. That's the 52-week high. Yeah, 18.54. Okay, so the probability of it retesting at least the 17.91 is statistically very low. Yeah, but it's also within these very low probabilities that we find that previous highs go on to be reprinted or new highs go on to be printed. So let's see what the underlying trend is saying on SNSE. Okay, it is neutral. It is bearish. It is bearish. Okay, and the extrapolation got the got this today's extrapolation right. Okay, so it's saying that higher prices may remain in place up till the 19th of December, including today. Okay, here we have yeah, okay, 16.73, not as high as we have seen already. So yeah, this is it again. 70, here it's saying 17.58, but it's actually 18.54. 18.54. Yeah. Okay. Let's see how things go, and I'll continue to update you. Thank you very much for watching this video.